So again, there's a science of wealth building. We went over goals, paradigms. Today is decision-making time. And we're going to show you decision is not hoping or wondering or guessing. A decision has no plan B, right? The root of decision is desire from the Latin, which means to cut off. When I make a decision, like my software company, I will either create that company, it'll go to multiple billions, or I will die trying. I don't spend any time wondering if it's going to work. What if it doesn't work? We've had some setbacks, some major ones. Doesn't matter. It's all part of the natural resistance from the universe that's causing me to grow. Same thing with our network marketing company. The company may fold, but I'm not going to, right? I don't care what's happened. I don't care what my downlines do. I don't care what anybody's doing. I just know what I'm doing. And I made a decision to get to 7 figures. So that will either happen or my life on this planet physically will expire. Does that make sense, guys? So we got to learn how to make decisions. Most people think they make a decision, then the very next day they're questioning it. That's not a decision. That's just people floundering. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please, please, please comment, like, and share, and click on that subscribe button so you can get all of the wealth mindset videos from the Matrix Success Network. Thank you very much. Be well. God bless.